How to fix ghost mode not disabling in Badoo settings. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can fix if our ghost mode is not disabling in Badoo settings. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. To fix the issue of ghost mode not disabling in Badoo settings, first ensure that we are not in invisible mode. So first we will open up Badoo app. Tap on our profile icon, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side and go to account preferences. Here you can see invisible mode and make sure you don't have invisible mode currently enabled and see if that helps you. You also have to check your online status availability over there. So you can see hide when you're online. Make sure that you ensure the settings is actually turned off. If you are using on Android, you can clear the cache files by long pressing the Badoo app icon, tapping on the eye icon to come to your app information page, going to storage, clearing the cache files and clearing the data. Also ensure that your Badoo app is updated to the latest version and restart your device and see if that helps you solve the problem. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.